Hello guys, uh, uh, today what we are going to be doing today is installing Firefox and replacing the ISO whistle here with Firefox so that we can use the Firefox with add-ons so that when we are conducting our stealth penetration testing, we can be able to see the cookies, see who is tracking us with the online, and also further on we also want to install some other tools so that we can be able to do more with the Firefox add-ons. Now, so to begin with, we'll remove this ISO here uh, by doing apt get remove ISO whistle. So this should be able to remove the browser. This is a default browser which can be found in Kali. Why we are removing it is because in in backtrack the ISO wizard it's very hard to put the add-ons because the add-ons they are meant for Firefox, so we have to remove it. So there it's gone. We'll wait for it. Whilst this one is going, this is just the continuation on what we started with doing penetration, uh, conducting penetration testing in stealth mode. So we need the browser so that we can do uh, some penetration testing using the web browser. Once it's finished, we'll go there. We are so we'll go into Nano. We'll do Nano. Now we want to go into the repository. See, then up sources. Let's see, okay, so there. Sources dot list. There we are. So we'll come down here and we'll put Debian HTTP and put packages Linux mint.com Debian import. So press Ctrl X, then Y to accept, then enter. So that is saved. So clear the screen. Then what we'll do here, we'll import straight the keys. Now bear with me because it's a lengthy process of putting the keys as we are typing. So it's gpg double underscore key saver pgp dot mit dot education, then we put receive keys. The key number is 3 EE 67 F3 Delta 0, this 0 Foxtrot 405B2. Let's press enter. Yeah, so I'll copy this one because we'll be using this key a lot. So copy, keep it in the clipboard. So do again GPG, small letters, GPG, GPG, yeah, that's it. Then we'll put export. Where we exporting, so we export what the key number. So do paste, or so just clear the screen here. That's what we are exporting, the key number. So we go the same number again, which is 3 AE 67 Foxtrot 3 Delta 0 Foxtrot 405 Bravo 2, then dot GPT, enter. So say apt key, we're adding the key, so it's 3 echo 67 Foxtrot 3 Delta 0 Foxtrot 405 Bravo 2 dot GPG. So do enter there, it's okay. Now we have to remove the key where it is. So remove this 3 again, echo 67 Foxtrot 3 Delta 0 Foxtrot 405 Bravo 2 dot GPG. There we go. So that's the key put in place for Firefox, so that when the repository, when we say up to date, the repository should go to the Linux Mint repository and get that version of Firefox into Kali. That's the one we are using. So do update, 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 enter there. Now it's updating. As you can see, it has gone to linuxmint.com with that GPG key. It's installing. Now it's done. Let's clear the screen. Now what we need to do here, we just say apt get install Firefox. So here is installing a new package of Firefox. Now it's going to linuxmix.com, Debian import. That's the package we wrote in the repository there in /etc/apt /sources.list. That's where he's copying, and he's copying MD64. That's the type of computer we are using. So he's selecting that, and it's altogether about 46.5 megabytes. So there is a minute for it to go. So once this one is installed, then we have to install the Firefox of the region. So you could have US or GB for Britain. So we'll use the one GB. And people in German, I think they will use DE. So I'll show you the command as we go along. So as I said, this Firefox will add in the add-ons. So there are several add-ons. There is a Ghostly, which we'll use to find who is tracking us online using the cookies so that we can block them. Then we'll use the cookies destroyer so that when we move from one page to the next, that page we have finished, we can destroy the cookie on there. Then we'll also install IP lookout and domain, so it will give us the current IP we are using, or any IP or any domain which we can find the IP for and other details on it whilst we are still in the browser. So all this we'll be doing using the Firefox browser. And this technique makes us stealthy so that we are not sending in packets, we are not sending in other utilities to pull out the information. So what essentially we have done is, first we have installed Tor and the Tor and the VPN. So whilst we are in Tor and VPN, which is much secure, we are using now the Firefox browser to still limit our footprint on targets which we might select, and also at the same time being able to get the information. So there is about to finish in installing the Firefox. There we are. So as usual, we'll clear the screen, then Firefox. Let's see the Firefox we have got already. Yes, looks like the Firefox we want, so we just put that, and there we are. So here we just go Firefox. What one we want is the official site. And for instance, you can install Netcraft. So what this browser will do, this add-on, it can pinpoint what server you are using at the moment. So let's look for that one. Then add Firefox, install, restart the browser. So there we are. That's the, if you go in service, you can see we can do internet data mining, internet explorations, um, and we can also see the performance. There is the toolbar. Now, if you look in the other video which we have published already, you'll see what add-ons, other additional add-ons we are using. So I hope you enjoyed the video.